Hello everybody. Today I unbox this to show you the inside of this box. So you see the actual things before you buying. This I purchased a couple months ago, and I haven't had a chance to unbox it and buy. Today, so I unboxed to make sure this is still in a good condition. So at the same time I want to show you this one I bought is how much I forgot. I think $15, but that is under promotions. So I don't know. It's right now how much is this? But this is a skillet, electric skillet. I used to have. I have a couple electric skillet. The first one I have is 16 inches. I bought a clearance as I think Lowe's back then 15 years ago. No, 12, 10, 12 years ago. 10, 12 years ago, I forgot. But that's my first one. It's cooked very it's okay, but compared with the skillet today, wow, it's not good, not that good. But that is big, too big. It's 16 inches. It took, and how you have to cook a lot of stuff in there. Otherwise, if you want person, 2 person to eat it, it's not the good skillet. So later on, I purchased a 12 inches skillet. That's at least 5 years ago. I think it's 5 years ago. Uh, the the first one I bought is clearance at $30, but the second one I bought after because I have the keeper and then because I bought the stuff from them, they give me bonus or something like that, and then combine I got stuff for $22. But now the third skill is here, this one. I bought $15. This is 12 inches. It's not. It's still big for 2 people. 1 or 2 people to eat. Cook and eat. But for the family of 4 people. That's good. I say this is good for the 12 inches. That's a skillet. The second one I bought is still good. It's good. It's hot very well because it's a ceramic coated. So this one I bought it, but I forgot. So let's see here. I think it's a copper chef. It's a good brand because I think so. I have never used anything from them yet. Copper chef, electric skillet. Let me see. Use as a skillet, a buffet server, or for steaming, sauteing, and frying. You can use all these: steaming, sauteing, frying, buffet server, and skillet. It's a Cerami-Tech with the Cerami-Tech non-stick coating. Cook without butter, oils, and chemicals. Yes. Yeah. See. And the top one, yeah. Cerami-Tech non-stick coating. Nothing sticks to the pan. Detachable temperature control. Thermostat for precise cooking, 120 Fahrenheit to 425 Fahrenheit. And this is 1200 watts. Cooks 8 chickens breast, PFOA and PTFE free. I don't know what are they, but I believe it's a good thing. Cook healthy without butter, oils, and chemical. 25% more cooking space. And they have a note here. They say the space pan surface. Let's see. Compared to round pan surface of the same diameter size. This. And in this box, they have 3-piece set, include last serving lid, Cerami-Tech electric skillet base, and temperature control thermostat. So they have the lid, they have this, the pan, then they have the temperature control. Next, they have the same copper shape electric skillet, Cerami-Tech non-stick coating. Nothing stick to the pan. The same thing I just read on the front. It's the same. How about in the back? Skillet. And this one with the Cerami-Tech non-stick coating, ceramic coating with the revolutionary repelling action that makes make it non-stick. Water runs away in the droplets and takes all the particles on the surface with it. Cook without butter, oil, and chemicals. PTFE and PFOA free. And last serving lid, easy comfort handle, steam release when electric skillet base, Cerami-Tech non-stick coating, nothing stick to the pan, 12 by 12 inches, 25% more cooking space. It's the same thing. PFOA and PTFE free, temperature control thermostat. Detachable temperature control thermostat, 120 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 1200 watts. And what they have there. And here is the distributed by Tristar. That's on the side here. They have the image for you to see. Here, chicken breast and fish and the shrimp. You cook at the wok, and then I think this is the one of frying, and this the sauteing or the fry or something. Okay. Anyway, let's see inside. I took you along. Oh, Mama, here. Did you see it? Yeah. There's more image here. Let's see inside. Let's see inside. They have a tab right here. Here is the thermostat control. In the base with the pan, it's light. It's not heavy. It's light. And the inside is cold. It's smooth. And here in the back, I can see. And this one, Tristar products in. Oh, outside the box is the copper shape, but this one is Tristar product in Skillet, model number AC, household use only. Caution: do not use for deep frying, temperature controlling blood. So only use made in China. Untitled. So that's not, I don't know how it works, but in the outside the box, the name brand is Copper Chef, but this in the back is a Tristar product. Anyway, but it's very light. They sold $15 each as a promotion. Normally, I don't see this this type of skillet in the store, but this on the holiday day promotion. Yeah, the Copper Chef and holiday day promotion. So in they have Copper Chef electric skillet owner manual here. Let me come for you to see. So because I'm unable to read it now here, so you can see it. In one more page here in the back. That's for owner manual. And this one, anyone can cook like a chef with the Copper Chef. Take a peek inside for the entire Copper Chef collection, copperchefcookware.com. So there's the book here. So you can, that's yeah. Cookie. Knife and cutting board and knives. What do you have? Let's see it. Blank, no more. That's it. That's in the back. Next is important note about your rice. Carry carefully. Here. And in the back is in another language. Here in the back. That's it. Oh, here, one more. It's a controller, thermostat controller. Here. There's they have a thermostat 0 degrees warm session here. 200 degrees, 250, 300, 350, and 425. The highest, the red too hot, 425. So let me plug in so you can see. Let's leave it inside. So that's all. Anyway. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. It's compared to my second one, I think that's the wall is shorter. My second one a little higher, but my second skillet it's not different branch with this. It's I forgot Presto? No, Presto. I think the first one I do have is Arrival. No, not Arrival. River or something. So, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.